going on, my YouTube family? Uh-oh, we have a brown box. But the question is, where it's from? But business is about to pick up because we about to get on and popping. The Who Has the Heat fam, we doing big things. We about to come out swinging in the month of March. Sis 313 on the way to 1K. If you haven't subscribed to her, I don't know what y'all waiting on. Her link is in the description. The bros, PM Kicks, McFly KOL, doing big things on the road to that 5K. And me, man, we'll see. We'll get there when we get there. But when we get there, we're going to do it real big. Y'all already know how we do it over here. It's another brick by brick production. Welcome everybody to my channel. New and I know I've been dropping a lot of videos. Everybody can't keep up. My videos is normally slow moving, so I don't worry about the analytics and all that stuff, because the main thing, I'm having fun sharing this with my family. Now, this brown box, y'all know I've been going back and forth between GOAT, StockX, looking for steals and deals. I like GOAT first because the shipping is low. Over here, StockX, boy, they really square us away, not square us away. They really hit us across the head with that $25 shipping and that tax. By the time you done with that, you are right back at retail or over retail. So y'all already seen my thing for most of my videos. I ain't getting here locally. I'm bouncing back and forth between StockX and GOAT, but my first choice is always GOAT. Like I said, so far so good. That's my opinion, and that's only my opinion. I can't tell y'all which one is better, but for me, GOAT has not done me wrong yet. So as you see, you got the brown box, but I can say this one is from StockX, and it took about 2 or 3 weeks. That's another thing. StockX take forever to get here. I don't know what's going on, but I know on that part, it depends on the seller. Me, normally if I do something, sell something, I get it out right away. No sense of procrastinating, because I know people are waiting on their shoes. So why hold the shoes? I open the box, so I ain't got to be sitting out here teeking around and frolicking and rolling around in the dirt. Y'all don't want to see Emoneyshoes rolling around trying to open a box. So, like so, I'm gonna do this. I think I opened it all the way up. No, I didn't open it all the way up. So as you can see, got this tape on here, like that, like so, and voila, LeBron James. Now, if I can get this out of here, we'll be all right. Do something like so. Hold on. Okay, I am back. As you can see, LeBron James, a very, very dope throwback box. I love the presentation on this box. You got King of the Court. You got St. Mary, St. Vincent. You got LeBron as a young little tyke from Akron. All of that stuff. Boy, this is a gigantic box. But I'm really, really excited about this shoe. My first LeBron 7. As you see, you got the Puka hole, Nike LeBron 7 Quick Strike. We didn't even get them here, so I had to go ahead and get them off of StockX. Fisher colorway, white, black, glass blue, 10.5 for men, 12 women. Suggested retail price, $260. I think that's Canada, because here I think it was like $200. But of course, I got it on the retail. I put in a bid. The guy took the bid, and here they are at my front door. The only thing about that, when you put in bids, make sure you remember what bids you put in, because this one completely came out of the clear blue. But I'm glad I was able to get this joint. The little slide out box. Slide on out. I don't want to work with me here. Slide it out. Got to use some aggression. Hold on again. Break. Now, as we got all this situated, there's the typical thing. Let me see the price. There, see, StockX, cover my information. Right there, see 182 under retail, StockX. Get your StockX card, look like so. They changing up a little bit with your signature. And bam! Red carpet joints are very, very dope shoe. You see, you got that token with your thing on the back. You can see and try to check to make sure you get a legit. But that's just only one way. I think China probably got those by now. But this is the LeBron 7 red carpet, and definitely red, my favorite color. Y'all already know red laces are going in these joints. without a doubt. So we do a little spin-a-rooney. Spin-a-rooney. Look at that. Look at that. Boy, that shoe is hella dope. Another slam. If you go underneath, look at that zoom underneath with that see-through iridescent color with Nike. I like that. That green with that black, and you got the puka right there. 3 right there in red. On the toe box, you got, look at the leather. Okay, got some squishy there, right? Then you got mesh right here coming up on the tongue. You got LeBron James here, of course. You got his name hits with patent leather up here with that blue. I don't know why they get the red carpet though, because only thing red pretty much on the shoe is right here. It's gonna be red, and then you're gonna go with the laces. You got your swoosh right there. This is me a basket weave, like a little Red Riding Hood, but very dope touch. And then you got your etched in Nike, ain't not etched, it's stitched in between your basket weave, right? So you got that right there like so. Then you got your LJ23, his number. Got the L on this side. You got a little thing for your heel in the back, and this looks like new buck, but the stitching is on point, as you can see. Coming around on the medial side, you got your stitched in Jumpman here. I mean, stitched in swoosh. Jumpman, oh my goodness, get it together. So this side, instead of the basket weaving, it's on the new buck or new buck suede, or whatever you want to call it. You got this here like part of a lace lock. On the laces, you got LJ. Yeah, LJ. I like these kicks a lot. I had to have these in the collection. I know a lot of people don't care too much about LeBron, but you got to give a man much respect. His shoe, he got some dope shoes, and probably when he gone, people will appreciate him more. But he got some dope kicks. As you can see inside, you got the L23. You got your paperweight, but you don't have no shoe tree like in your Jordans. But nonetheless, and on this one, you got your QR code. They be putting these done things in here kind of crazy. But as you can see, I mean, it's just a very dope shoe. I just went a half size up just to be on the safe side. I don't know if it's gonna go true to size. I don't know if they run big or what, but when in doubt, go half size up, right? It's always to go a little bit big than too small. Your toes be sitting there screaming, crinkled up like Mike and Janet. But like I said, very dope shoe. Can't wait to put these on feet. And yeah, I know. Everybody said can't wait to put it on feet, but yeah, you don't do on feet. I know. It's coming. Please believe me, it's coming. All right. Now, on a lit meter, very dope shoe. My first LeBron 7 out of 5. I'm gonna give it about a 4.95 out of 5. Yes, 4.95 out of 5. Y'all like, he killing me, money. What happened to the 0.5? I'm not sure yet, because I didn't put the shoe on, so I'm gonna reserve my 0.5. If I get the China Moons, we'll do. I'm working on trying to get those joints too. So you leave a comment suggestion below. Let me know what you think. Is this your cup of tea? No look past. Is it because you don't like the shoe, or is it because you don't like LeBron, the player? Leave a comment suggestion below. Like I said, go subscribe to the family, Hon.Hi, the home team. We about to do it real big. Emoneyshoes, I'm out. Peace.